Welcome to the world of openai, where artificial intelligence meets limitless possibilities. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we live, work, and interact with technology. And at the forefront of this AI revolution is openai. Founded by Sam Altman and his team of visionaries, openai is a leading research organization focused on developing safe and beneficial AI. Since its inception, openai has achieved numerous milestones. From advancements in natural language processing to groundbreaking models like GPT, openai is at the forefront of AI research. One of openai's most remarkable creations is the Generative Pre-trained Transformer, or GPT. This state-of-the-art language model has the ability to understand, generate, and interact with human-like text. GPT has been utilized in various fields, from content creation and storytelling to customer service and virtual assistants. Its ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant text has transformed the way we communicate and access information. openai is deeply committed to the ethical and responsible development of AI. They prioritize safety, transparency, and ensuring that AI benefits all of humanity. openai collaborates with leading research institutions, industry experts, and policymakers to address the societal impact of AI. They actively work on AI safety measures to ensure that AI systems are reliable and secure. openai believes in making AI accessible to everyone. They provide resources, research papers, and tools that empower developers, researchers, and enthusiasts to explore the possibilities of AI. openai's resources have been instrumental in my AI journey. Their research papers and tools have helped me push the boundaries of what's possible. The contributions of openai have truly accelerated AI research. Their commitment to openness and sharing knowledge is inspiring. As we look to the future, openai envisions a world where AI is not only powerful but also aligned with human values. Their mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. openai, shaping the future of artificial intelligence for a better world. For more, subscribe to my channel, Technical Arun Kumar. Take care, bye bye.